Okay guys, so we're here to talk about Dr. Buhari. He is a healer from Pakistan. He heals with the aid of herbs, natural herbs without chemical. The herbs doesn't have any chemical. So Dr. Buhari is a pain healer who cures pain within 5 minutes, and he has been researching for over 22 years, and then with the help of his forefathers, which he inherited, sorry, from his forefathers. So he cures pains like joint pains, back pains, neck pains, eye pain, toothache, any type of body pain. He also cures gastrics, ulcer, high high blood pressure, diabetes, bile constipation, blind people. He also cures those types of people. He has medicines. They are 100% natural, no chemical. This is the M oral liquid. M orga liquid, sorry guys. This is used to cure high blood pressure. You know guys, as we all know, the high blood pressure is a sickness which is very bad, especially these elderly people. They have it at home. I can say in Gambia here, any home you go, it's either one or two people are there, they have high blood pressure. That has been here since we were even born. Also, he cures gastric. This is also used to cure gastric. It is used to cure ulcer. It is used to cure pile. It is used to cure constipation. It is used to cure diabetes also. This is also dropout. This is also natural, 100% natural. There is no chemical in it. This is also used to it is used to relieve pain. You just have to drop it there. You don't have to rub it with your hands. Just drop it on the pain side and then leave it there. We also have an eye drop. It's a new consignment. We have an eye drop for, but this one, it is $300 unless if you want to go home with it. For the eye, it is free treatment for the eye. For the eye patients, they have free treatment. But the eye drop is $300. We also have the MP leaf. This one is used to cure pain. Anybody who comes here, we give you this. Wherever is paining you, we put it there, and each pain point is $100. It is very effective. It is 100% natural, no chemical in it. We also have the M orga powder. This one is it is used for curing tooth pain. You don't have to seal your tooth. You don't have to remove it. You just have to get this. It is very effective, and it's 100% natural. There is no chemical in it. We also have a hairspray. It's used to cure cirrhosis and these allergy reactions. We also have the spray is very effective also. It is 100% natural, leaf based. It doesn't have chemical. They are so effective. So guys, Dr. Buhari, as you all know, he's a pain healer, and he has been dealing with pain. He has been curing pains for over so many years, and then he has been here also for like 6 months. He has been curing people for like he has cured more than 11,000 Gambian people. He has cured. He has also cured my family members. So anybody who wants to see Dr. Buhari, you can come to Senegambia opposite Ecobank, or better still, you can call us on 207-8568, 207-8568. So I will let Fatima continue from here.
Okay guys, I will just make a review about the medicines and so on. So the doctor himself, before I go to the medicine, I would like to explain a few things about the doctor. The doctor is an expert in healing pain. One, he boasts 20 years experience in prayers too, and he's someone who heals within 5 minutes. He heals with the help of his spiritual powers and through the words of Allah, that is Allahu Akbar. That's how he heals. And the doctor is from a Sharif family, which he inherited. Like he's from Sharif family, and he has cured more than 10,000 patients in Gambia. Like every day the number is increasing bit by bit. Like it's he has cured almost thousands of Gambians. So he is an expert in healing pain, and apart from Dr. being an expert in healing pain, he is also a researcher who has been researching for over 22 years, and his research was based on human organs and organics. And during the research, he developed a plant called FAHM, and that FAHM was extracted from the leaf, and then we make some syrups out of it. So we have so many medicines in the clinic, so I will explain everything bit by bit. This one, it's called the M-Orga oral liquid. This M-Orga oral liquid is a liquid that is used to control diabetes, hypertension, constipation, bile, gastric, and yes, lungs, chest, and so on. So it's a very good medicine. It controls everything in you. It have no chemical, it has no side effect, and according to the PCSIR and according to PCSIR lab results, these medicines have multivitamins and minerals, and it is also approved by the TRAF International in Pakistan. So if anybody needs this medicine, you can come and get this at our clinic. It have multivitamins, it have minerals, it have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. So it's a very natural medicine. It's a natural remedy for healing pain, and it's 100% natural. It helps you to digest. It maintains your proper body weight, and it also boosts your mind and hypertension, and also it gives you a fresh body and mind. So it's a very good medicine, whereby if you don't get this medicine, you should make by all means to come to our clinic to get this medicine. And also we also have the MP leaf. This MP leaf, as I always said, is the father of all the medicine. Like, it's a muscle leaf bandage which work by relaxing the muscles to allow more blood to enter at the affected area in order to heal the pain. Like, if you have any joint pain, if you have any muscle pain, if you have any back pain, ribs pain, spinal cord, arthritis, any pain, strains and sprains pain, like, it cures everything within 14 hours. So it's the father of the medicine because it's a very, very powerful and a very hot medicine, and it's very, very effective too. It's a leaf based, as you can see. It doesn't have chemical, it doesn't have side effect. So if you wish, if you have any back pain, if you have any joint pain, any muscle stiffness, you can come and get this medicine from us. We have this in our clinic, and you cannot have this anywhere in government hospital. You cannot have this anywhere in government clinic except in our in Dr. Buhari's clinic, or maybe you call Amazon or anywhere in our clinic. So we have this in our clinic. So please try and come and get this medicine for all your body pains, for all your joint pains, for all your muscle stiffness, and so on. And again, we also have a dropout. This dropout, it's called a pain relief dropout, which was based on his research. We all know the doctor is someone who used to heal pain. He is an expert in healing pain, but this pain dropout was based on his research, and it heals pain within 20 to 30 minutes. So even if you cannot make it to the doctor, like to our treatment, by healing, by praying, by receiving prayers from the doctor, you can get this medicine, and like you can get it anywhere you are. You can get it and use it anytime you want. Like, it heals pain at any time, like within 20 to 30 minutes. And also, we also have the powder. This powder, it's called the M-Orga powder. It's called it's a M-Orga powder. It's for toothache. Like, anybody who have tooth pain, you don't need to be worried again. There is no need for you to visit any dentist. There is no need for you to seal your teeth or to even remove your teeth. With the help of this teeth, your pain will be gone. Your pains will be gone. Like, you will heal completely. Like, it lasts for 20 to 30 minutes. Like, within 20 to 30 minutes, your pains will be gone. And also, if you wish, you can use it as a tea, as it is written on the pack. Like, it is drawn on the pack. Like, you can take your mug, you add the hot water, and then you add the powder, then you filter the powder, then you use the tea. But if you are using it, if you are taking it as a tea, it have to go with a regular interval. So it shouldn't be taken as a rampant tea or even a water, just like you are taking water. Anytime you can take it. It's a medicine, so you have to take it with a regular interval. You have to time yourself. Like, you have to time yourself. Either you will take it 3 times a day, or even you will take it 2 times a day. If you wish, you can even swallow the powder. It doesn't have any side effect. It will not harm you in any ways. So, and again, we also have the eye leaf and the eye drop. The eye leaf and the eye drop are something which is used to cure blind people, those who have sight problem. Like, if your sight is not that clear, or your eyes are always watery or are itching, it used to cure everything. So if you have any problem with the sight, if you have problem with your eye, you have any or you are a short-sighted or even a long-sighted person, you can come for the eye drop and the eye leaf. The eye drop is a flower base, and also the eye leaf is a leaf base, so they are very effective and they don't have any chemical in them. And then also we also have the hairspray. The hairspray is a spray that is used for that is used to cure cirrhosis. It is used to control scalp buildup, even stop the intense scalp aging. It is very effective for the head, it is very effective for the hair, because it even helps you to grow, it makes your hair grow fast, and it gives you a clean and neat hair. And moreover, it's not only for the hair, it's also for the skin. Like people can have cirrhosis from their top to the bottom, like from the head to the toes. They can have cirrhosis all over the body, like even the skin, everything. If you have skin infection, skin disease, skin reaction, chicken pox, and so on, it used to clear everything off. It used to clear everything off. It used to dry up everything. Even the cirrhosis with the pus and with the blood, it used to dry up everything. Like, it's a very good medicine. It's a very natural remedy for cirrhosis and so on. So it's very, very good. And another one also, it's not only for the skin, it's not only for the hair, it is also for it is also an antifungal spray, which it is also an antifungal which fight fungi inside our body. Hence, we cannot see fungi with our naked eyes unless we take a microscope. Because fungi, virus, bacteria are small. They are very tiny particles which cannot be seen with our naked eyes. So to be at the safer side, we all need the spray, and we are approaching the raining season in 3 to 4 months time. We are entering the raining season, and also in the rainy season, it's common in children. It's common for children to have cirrhosis all over the body. Even the elders, they used to have cirrhosis and so on, all the skin disease and so on. So if you know that you used to have cirrhosis during the rainy season, you need to get the spray, because you need to order the spray, because right now I think it's not limited in the stock, but we are expecting new consignment. So if you need the spray, you can come and get the spray from our clinic. And again, we also have another medicine for impotency and infertile. Like, it's for people who cannot conceive, people who have difficulties in having babies for themselves, and also women who have already given birth and they stop, like they cannot conceive again after the first birth, like they have difficulties conceiving again. We also do the treatment at the clinic. And also for the men who are weak on bed, like they cannot perform their marital duties, who are completely weak, they cannot last long on bed, we are also doing the treatment in the clinic. So if anybody needs the treatment, please, you are all welcome to our clinic. You are all welcome to our medicines. They are all effective and they are all leaf based, and all our medicines have multivitamins and minerals like protein, they have fiber, they have carbohydrate, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, they have magnesia, they have vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And also, all our medicines have been tested by PCSIR and approved by the Draft International in Pakistan. So everyone is safe with our medicines, and they are very good in healing. They are all natural remedy for healing pain, and they are very effective. So if anybody needs it, you can come to our clinic and then you get the medicine from us. We are located at Senegambia opposite EcoBank, just near Smell Lodge. That's where we are located. Or you call us on this number 207-8568, 207-8568, 207-8568. If you are in Pakistan and you need the medicine or you need any of our services, you can call this number 92304 111 2296, 92304 111 2296. That's our Pakistan number, and so on. So if you need any medicine and you are in Pakistan, you can call the number, or you can even follow our page on social media platform, because we are using all media platforms. So if you text us in any media platform, whether you are in Pakistan or you are in Gambia, you will get a response from us. So do you have anything to add?
Okay guys, so fan mata lum doon wax dama leen ko waxaat rek ci olof, mooy docteur Buhari fajkat la, fajkat bi nga xam ne moom Pakistan la jóge. bi mu ñëwee Gambia fii nii faj na lu ëpp 11,000 people in Gambia here. yàgg na di faj, ba pare xob rek la dee use pour faj xob la di use pour faj am xobam yi amul benn chemical di 100% natural mu ngi am xob bi mu ngi am xob bii nii nga xam ne fépp foo xam ne fu moo la nekk di métti muy dina muy mbagam muy lu munti doon daal tànka yu métti loxo yu métti gannaaw bu métti pooj yépp la di faj lii nii soo ñëwee dañ laa tayal benn place buñ la tayal bu nekk $100 la man suma maam ñëwoon na ñu tayal ko tati tuubu kooku nga xam ne du daan mun a jugal boppam waaye fi mu nekk nii lii buñ ko tayalee ñu génnee ko ba léegi moom alhamdulilah moom dafaa jugal boppam di defal boppam lu ko nee baax na trop amul benn chemical 100% natural la ba pare lii taf dee faj am yaram bu métti fépp foo xam ne moo la nekk di métti sa yaram bi lii soo ko fa defee rek su amee 14 hours docteur bi daf laa wax ne pour nga ñëwaat su fekkee ne war na laa jox garab waaye su fekkee warut laa jox garab mun nga koo génneel sa boppa yow sa boppa di nga xam ne comme am fi ma doon métti bi ma fa defee lii ba léegi amatul fenn foo xam ne moo ma nekk di métti also ñu ngi am bii nii bi powder la boo xam ne pour bëñ bu métti la lii soo ko defee sa lii soo amee bëñ bu métti nii du loo pour dem génne sa bëñ bi wala pour sil sa bëñ bi lii rek nga war a use pour def ko sa bëñ bi su soobee yàlla lii tamit beneen natural remedy la bii daf laa génneel sa bëñ bu métti bi dootoo amaat bëñ bu métti within 30 minutes ñu ngi am bii nii bii dropat la boo xam ne soo amee métti tamit si sa yaram bi mun nga ko faa def waaye jarul nga koo laal ak sa loxo bi yow da nga koo just drop foofu noonu rek ba pare lii tam daf laa faj within 20 to 30 minutes dafa effective trop ba pare moom tamit 100% natural la amul benn chemical also ñu ngi am ay drop bii nii pour nit yoo xam ne dañ dee am bët bu métti wala ñoo xam ne seen bët yi dafa faral di génnee ndox always soo yàggee seetaan télé wala nga yàggaa xool si kaw ñeneen nag di gis ne seen bët yi dafa génnee rongoñ bii baax na trop pour loolu noonu wala nit yoo xam ne seen gis-gis du dee lii du dee leer bu baax bii baax na trop ñu ngi am tamit xob boo xam ne loolu pour nit yoo xam ne dañ gumbo la loolu noonu dangaa ñëw fii nii docteur bi mu defal la ko dafa effective trop baax na trop am na solo trop amul benn lii nu mu tudda waat amul benn chemical moom tamit baax na trop bii nii moom bii lañ dee use pour faj diabète high blood gastric ulcer bile constipation lii lañ dee use pour faj loolu bii dafa effective trop parce que man mii suma mbokkay ñu ngi use lii am na kenn koo xam ne dina bu métti moo ko daan sonal dafa jaay si marché bi dina bi taf ko daan always nekk di daaneel fan yooyu noonu waaye bu mu ñëwee ba gisante ak docteur bi bu ñu ko jaayee lii moom si boppam moo ma oo mu ne ma Fatou Gueye kaay docteur bi garabam bi boobu noonu dafa baax trop ma ne ko yéen soo leen kontaanee rek man kontaan naa parce que man maa leen woon docteur bi soo yéen soo leen ñëwee ngeen ma ne seen wér gu yaram léegi alhamdulilahi rabil alamin kon mooy loolu man kontaan naa si trop garab bii nii dafa effective trop ba pare tamit ñu am feebari high blood yi ak diabète yi war nañoo seetaat li nga lekka parce que ñu jaay la garab bi still nga nekk di luñ la teree nga koo def ba léegi loolu dafa tax na yow sa feebar bi dafa des tuuti ba pour mu wér parce que liñ la nekk di wax defuloo ko nit yoo xam ne tamit ñu ngi am seere yéen a war a moytu comme ngeen a lekka yi nga xam ne dafa lekka yoo xam ne dafa ratax daal comme i fufu yi mu ngeen koo rega waaye always ñeneen dañ di dangaa gis ne ñu ngi am feebar ñu lekk maalo bu woowu boo xam ne moom daf dee joxe seere loolu moom always ñëpp xam nañ ko nit yu am diabète tamit war nañoo moytu tamit maalo yu ñoo lekk parce que maalo sadam moom comme nit ñi nuñ ko xamee daf dee yokk sutur ñu ngi am body spray boo xam ne tamit boobu noonu pour yaram la ak karaw nit yoo xam ne dañ dee faral di am crasse seen boppay wala seen boppay daf dee nekk di esen wala nit yoo xam ne lekka nañ li nga xam ne waruñ koo lekka seen yaram yi di génnee ay picca wala seen yaram yi di am ay góom time nawetaan loolu tamit garab spray boobu noonu baax na trop pour loolu parce que da nga koo spray sa yaram bi rek nga bàyyi ko foofu noonu docteur bi daf dee wax nit ñi ne within 5 days sa picca yi dina génna waaye ñi ko use ñu ne within 2 days seen picca yëpp a génna ba pare also tamit ñu ngi am garab boo xam ne pour jigéen yoo xam ne ñu ngi yaagaa sëy amuñ doom wala jigéen yoo xam ne am nañ doom yaagaa taxaw amatuñ doom docteur bi soo ñëwee daf laa ñaanal jox la garab tamit pour nga ñibbi nga seet sa boppa yow si sa boppa soo demee nga toog within 2 months soo ñëwatee yow si sa boppa yow yaay ñëw wax ne yàlla wërsagal na la biir insha allahu rabbi góor boo xam ne tamit dafa du dee kontaan loo jabaram wala góor boo xam ne du dee mën a sëy ak jabaram si kaw lal docteur bi soo ñëwee insha allah mu ngi am garab tamit pour loolu docteur bi fajkat la ba pare comme moom mu ngi Gambia right now waaye mu ngi am ay clinique biir Japan mu ngi am clinique Canada mu ngi am clinique biir Pakistan si boppam foofu ñaari clinique la fa am bu mu ñëwee woon Gambia mu ngi doon faj jibooro soo ñu nekk jibooro ñooñu war nañoo xam yéen mi nekk di seetaan tamit man maa doon nekk di ram pour def yi fi subscription bi waaye fi mu nekk nii nekkatuma di def loolu noonu léegi si media bi laa nekk fii maak Fatmata ñu doon subscribe ñu ma subscribe yëpp ba pare ñooñu yéen ba léegi yéen free consultation ngeen a am waaye nit yoo xam ne comme yéen still mun ngeen a am subscribe tam suñ YouTube channel bi yéen doo leen am free subscription su fekkee man bi nu ma sottul waaye always soo ñëwee di nga bugg di am 10% discount insha allah.
So dégg ngeen loolu she was explaining this same thing I was explaining like about the medicines and so on in our own language. So so we have some reviews, we have so many successful stories. We're gonna bring up maybe 1 or 2 because we don't have enough time. So but before I go to the successful stories, I want to talk about I want to talk to people, I want to talk to my people, I want to talk to everyone who is listening to me, anyone who is watching me, or even who is gonna watch after the live. Like I want to talk to everyone, like please, if anyone have any sickness and like you have a burden sickness that is bothering you and you cannot confine in anyone, please try by all means, you see the doctors or you see any nurse nearby and confine in them, ask them about solution. And so that, because Englishman say a problem share is a problem solved. So to keep your problem to yourself or to keep your sickness to yourself is not something which is gonna help, because we have seen many people whom have kept their sickness, or they have been an ignorance to their sickness, and now the sickness has getting to a stage whereby they cannot even control it. Even doctors, like when a sickness go to a stage whereby there are certain points whereby when the sickness get to that stage, like even the doctors cannot control your sickness, because dangay nekk foofu rek di xaar yàlla rek waaye comme doctors yi they try all they could, but they cannot cure or even xam nga ñu heal la from your that sickness. So I'm urging everyone, pleading with everyone ñoo xam ne dañ am feebar ñu ngi rus, dañ am feebar dañ rus wala dañ lifin momo yàlla ko isasatu soto ikamalu kera sasa fo mule wala imalu taka finti ke fango fo mule ala make sure aliyo daji ka sifa bula aliyo finti mol kan dalman finti mol fanan kan alita doctor ya min yàlla ko isalma ko ino wala alita moya mi yàlla ko asalma ko ina ba solution sutra problem moto. So what I was saying is that, like, if you have any sickness like that is bothering you and you cannot confine in anyone, please try by all means you visit a doctor or even a nurse to explain or to share your story with her. Maybe he might be a help to you or even find a solution to your problem. So it's something which is rampant nowadays. You will see someone who is sick and like a serious sickness, not this all slight sickness, not this minor sickness, I mean serious sickness, things like HIV, things like kidney problems, things like things like all those deadly sickness. People will be having them and they will be ignorant to their problems, because what they don't want anyone to laugh at them, they don't want people to make mockery of them. But we should pack that aside, and even if you don't want people to make a mockery of you or even people to laugh at you, like, don't confine in anyone, like don't tell to anyone, even you did not believe in your family members, just put on your shoe, put on your clothes, and then go and see a doctor, any doctor, whereby even a consultation fee, like even if you don't have any consultation fee, just tell them that I want to talk with them, I didn't come here for medicine. Maybe they will find a solution to your problems, and maybe they might be a help to you. So it's something which we should also consider when we are sick. We shouldn't, even you have a slight headache, like you shouldn't sit at home. I'm telling people that it's a normal headache, it's a slight headache. It's rampant in our homes, it's rampant in the society. Like in the society, you will see someone with a heavy stomach pain, and the person will say, it will be fine, I just take a paracetamol, or I just take a paramadol. So it's something which is way out of hand. When you are sick, even a slight sickness, you have to seek advice from the doctors, or you have to visit any nearby clinic for your sickness and so on. So, and also the chemical medicine, like we have to reduce the use of this modern medicine, because they are something that has chemical, and also they have a percentage of drug. So if anybody is using medicine drug like that, like a food you are taking, because some people they used to take it every day, like every 4 hours, 5 hours, they used to take it, or even 3 times a day, or even 4 times a day, without anyone's subscription, without anyone subscribed them subscribed it to them. I don't know how to even phrase it. Without any doctor subscribe the medicine to them, they will continue buying the medicine. Like or when I'm at home, I feel like I'm having a stomach pain. Like I'll just go to Fatu. Did you have any stomach medicine for stomach pain? She will give me a medicine, and I don't know whether our stomach pains are the same or not, because stomach pains are like that's a general name, a stomach pain, but we have different things attached to it. We have menstrual cramps in stomach pain, we have gastric pain, we have like infection disease towards the stomach pain. The infection pain also is there. Like we have so many pains. We have the ovulational pains and so on. All those are cramps pain. So and we also have the natural stomach pain, or we also have the constipation stomach pain. There are so many pains attached to stomach. So you cannot just have a stomach pain and go to someone to have a medicine for get the medicine from her. All you need to do, please, is an advice to everyone. Like if you have any pain that is disturbing you, or if you have any headache, any stomach pain, any headache, any back pain, just go and seek doctor's permission. Just go and see any doctor or any nurse to help you with the medicines, or to even help you with any solution. But it's not right for you to take someone's medicine while you don't know whether your sickness are the same or not. And also the expired medicines, like most of the time when people go to clinic like this or hospital, they will give them expired medicine. Because just last week we have someone in our clinic who has came with the mom was complaining, like the mom was even crying. She was crying that like she was in pain, because before she went to that eye clinic, like she was seeing with the two eyes, like nothing was wrong with the eyes. But after when they gave her the expired eye drop, the eye came blind. Like the eye, everything, the blood was circulating all over the eye, and she cannot even see with that eyes. And the eye was like this, the eye cannot even open because of the pain, because of the expired chemical, because of the expired eye drop. So which is very we have to be very vigilant about that too. We have to be very careful, and we shouldn't be an ignorance to our sickness. We shouldn't be an ignorance to our medicines we are taking, because because of that blindness and that circulated blood is because of the ignorance of the medicine. Like the children, I don't blame the mom, because she did not go to school, but her children, like they know everything, they can read, they can write. They if they were very cautious, like they have to take the pack from the mom and to check the this thing, how to call it, to check the expiry date, whether it's expired or not. But they didn't detect earlier, like the drop was expired. So the mom applied the drop till 4 days, I don't know, to 5 days. Then she feels somehow, like since, according to the mom, since the first day she applied the eye drop on her eyes, like she was feeling somehow, but she thought that like it's just a normal thing, like what I was saying before, like you think it's a normal thing. So she kept applying the eye drop till 4 to 5 days. Then she realized that the blood was circulating and everything, the eyes cannot even open. She was having headache. Eye is connected to the head, is connected to the skull. So if you have any, even if a sun enters in your eyes, like you used to have a slight headache. So the time she feels like she's not seeing anything, that's the time they detect that the eye drop was expired. And the woman was crying, was like, I don't have any problem with my eyes, I was seeing with my both eyes. And then after then these people gave me this expired eye drop. I did not know, because she was not she cannot read. She did not know, because she cannot read, she don't understand English. So I blame the doctors, I blame the nurse or the eye clinic who gave the eye specialist, who gave her the eye drop. And I blame the children too, because if your parents went to hospital, please try and by all means ngeen dey check seen pack si su ñëwee ak seen garab bi ngeen dey check. Most of the time am na parents yi ñu ko dee def suñ jógee clinique nii wala hospital nii wala any pharmacy dañoo di wane ne kay nga cigal ma bii ban garab la bii ban garab la it's something which is very good because you have bought something yow da nga dem rek nga jox ko paak bi wala da nga dem nga jox ko sa receipt bi prescription receipt bi mu jaala garab bi so you have to know each medicine you are taking da nga war a xam medicine bi lii la day faj feebar bi lii la day lifin lii la day lal people have to be very vigilant about their health issue waruñoo careless towards our health issue because it's something loo xam ne if you get careless so mistake rek like especially bot mère boobu botaam bi like su demee ba mu complete su demee ba mu blind completely like du mun a am du gain sightam bi again because there is nothing like false eyes there is nothing like false this or false am na false leg we have false foot we have false leg but there is nothing like false there's nothing like false eye when your legs is broken it's broken completely when you are blind you are blind there is no amount of medicine there is no amount of operation boo xam ne boobu ngay def pour nga mën a am sa sight bi amut fen so loolu moo tax dañ war a over moytu we have to be very very careful we have to be very very careful this one dafa dem si kër yi ñoo xam ne comme seen yaay yi dañuy dem lopitaan xale yi ñoo xam ne ñu ngi fa dañ jàng try leen ngeen check seen paak si yaay lii la dee faj lii dañ la jox garab yi foog naa pour lii la ak lii la so even if you don't understand anything because some scientific words are difficult trial nga google you type the same word nga google nga check you will see everything in it blame na nurse bi nurse bi xam naa ne I'm sure that like complaint bi su demee si higher stage bi si ministry of Ministry of Health bi xam naa ne maybe they will take a step about it yes because I have seen someone also koo xam ne dafa génn mu ngi joxe loolu tamit the same thing mu ne yaayam dafa dem clinique waaye ñoom dañ ko detect earlier they detected earlier and the girl come out on the media she was talking about the eye drop the expired eye drop the same eye drop that they have given to that woman that's the same thing they have given to her mom too and that's the same thing they have given to everyone on that day because according to that girl mu ne yaayam mu ne ñu bari ñoo fa demoon pour eye drop bi and that's the same thing that loolu mooy eye drop boo xam ne dañ ko doon share si nit yi yëpp and so on so nit yi dañ war a we have to be very very careful about the things the medicine luñ dee jël spécially su ñëwee in terms of eye so waaye suñ jógee foofu tamit alañ ñëw si suñ clinique bi am nañ garab yoo xam ne they are all herbal they are nothing amut loo xam ne dangay wane dafa am chemical gis nga suñ eye drop bi nu mu dawee nii te noonu la safee like it's very very effective it's a flower base and also it's 100% natural amul benn chemical amul benn side effect soo leen started di use li by the grace of God doo leen am benn jafe si seen pot bi doo leen am benn jafe si seen yaram bi ak yooyu noonu that auntie when she came with the complaint and with the one eye like the one eye was closed like this and blood was if you open the eyes like this you see you will not even the black the people you don't even see it in the eye the people the black thing we call it people in English you don't see anything the eye was covered with blood like everything was covered with blood she was in pain but we gave her this thing thank God she came even though she did not came on time because dafa fekka deret bi dafa muuru liyam bi yëpp botaam bi yëpp so waaye with the help of this eye drop I know that everything will clear bit by bit gradually du dem one day waaye gradually when she started dañ ko jox eye drop bi pour mu use ko su jeexee mu ñëwaat ci clinique bi xam naa ne comme su starté di use lii daf ko start sax xam naa ne lii su demee ba mu jeex like dina am te ne like blood bi dafay dellu ak everything will come normal so we have to be very careful of the things we use we have to be very careful of all these chemical medicines because they have percentage of drug and also they do more harm than good in our body system like all these chemicals especially the ones we are taking in it cause liver problem it can cause kidney problem it can cause anything in your entire system your lungs respiratory system and so on it's not good it's having a drug it's having a percentage of drug and it's having a chemical if you could remember there was a TRRC that was going on like the last the former regime like people were confessing that like the incumbent like he was putting chemical in the ACs and so on so people were inhaling it was killing people gradually so come the day gradually one day this social person has died then ñoo confess ñu ne chemical bi la so chemical boo xam ne mu ngay rey nit why are we taking it as a medicine like chemical we are taking chemical as a medicine and it's killing us gradually te ñun xamuñ we don't know. I don't blame humanity tamit ñoo xam ne ñu ngi koy jël because we don't know that dafa am percentage of chemical and then dafa am a percentage of drug. So suma best advice mooy waxuma ngeen bàyyi chemical medicine yi waxuma ngeen bàyyi modern medicine yi waaye wàññi leen ko, and also soo leen di jënd garab ngeen check parts yi because amoon neen lifin bu ma doon explain noonu kooku chemical lifin naka la waat sa expired chemical medicine lañ ko jox boo xam ne dafa demee ci botaam bi ba right now mun naa wax dafa gumbawut because mu ne daf day gis waaye du day clear. So we have to be very very careful of things we are taking. We have to be very careful of the medicines we are taking, especially these modern medicines. I think we all have to go back to our culture. We have to go back to our leaves, to our herbs and so on, because herbs, it's something loo xam ne amul chemical, especially the ones we have in our clinic. It doesn't have any chemical, it doesn't have any side effect, and the medicines, all the medicines were tested by PCSIR in Pakistan and also approved by the Draft International. So it's a safe medicine and it's a recommended one, and it's also researched and developed by the doctor himself. So he boasts 22 years experience in researching about the medicine, and also he boasts 20 years experience in praying, and he is an expert in healing too. So if anybody needs his service, you can come to our clinic, and then we are located at Senegambia opposite EcoBank, just near Smile Lodge, or you call us on this number 2078568, or you call this Pakistan number 92304 111 2296. That's our Pakistan number. If you are in Pakistan and you are watching us and you need any of our service, you can call the number 92304 111 That's our Pakistan number. And if you are in Gambia and you need the medicine or you need any of our treatment, you can call us on this number 2078568. So ku xam ne da nga bëgg rek mun ngeen di ñëw suñ clinique bi alsina na clinique auto. So mba fatu fana mbula la afani manika ko wala ko tamit explain kam about mol ka borol min sang anim fanang expired fenkol aning mol ka sifela sasal ka was ani wasifal.
ok so Fatoumata lu mu nekk di wax mooy nit yoo xam ne dañ dee dem si lopitaan yi ñi nekk di jënd ñu leen a jox garab ba pare soo leen àggee si kër bi jox leen xale yi ñu seet packaging bi suñ ko xoolee si lañ leen laa mun a wane garab bii nii baax na wala baaxut, wala garab bii nii date bi passé na wala passé ngul. parce que dafa am ku fi ñëw koo xam ne dafa amoon feebari botam bi yëpp dafa deretal botam bi nii dafa tëju ba pare soo ko ibee tamit yëpp deret rek la daf moom soo gisee mu def loolu parce que daf doon use chemical yi eye drop boo xam ne dafa am eye drop boo xam ne dafa am chemical ba pare eye drop chemical boo xam ne dafa expire. Chemical rek dara la saka nit saka chemical boo xam ne dafa expire. so loolu rek doy na waar képp koo xam ne dem nga lopitaan nga ñëw yow jànguloo jox ko xale yi ñoom ñu seetal la soo amutee xale si kër bi demal si biti bu rus because sa yi fi wér gu yaram la ba pare tamit li nga def sa biir but tamit war nga koo xool bu baax, wala li nga dugal si sa biir yaram di ko naan tamit wala di ko def sa yaram tamit doy na waar torop. yóbbu leen ko ñu wax leen ne na expire la wala expire wul. ñun moom suñ bos comme ni ma leen ko waxee suñ garab bi yëpp day 100% natural, amul benn chemical, yëpp natural herbs la. eye drop bii nii moom new consignment la bii dafa effective trop pour nit yoo xam ne dañ dee am bët yu métti, wala nit yoo xam ne seen bët yi dafa faral di sooti ndox, wala nit yoo xam ne comme seen gis-gis du dee leer bu baax. ñu ngi am beneen xob tamit boo xam ne moom lañ la dee defal sa bët bi su fekkee ne da nga gumbo. ba pare treatment yi gumbo yi tamit pour ma wax leen ko loolu noonu free la. xam nga ne loolu doo leen ko mun a am fenn, fii rek ngeen ko mun a am. soo ku képp koo xam ne yow yaa ngi am lu la jaaxal ba pare feebar tamit feebar nga koo nëbba sa boppa ngay lii nit ki war ngaa rus si lu nekk ba mu des feebar. soo feebaree da nga pour bokk nit soo mënutee waxtaan ak sa mbokk yi wala sa xarit yi mun ngaa dem si nit koo xam ne moo la mun a jàppale mu faj la, wala nit koo xam ne mun nga koo wane comme lii ya ma dal mu ne la ne demal si kii xam naa ne moom dina la mun a faj. feebar da nga ko war a génne, waruloo di rus soo amee feebar nga génne ko moo gën, parce que ñeneen nga xam ne dañoo feebar xam nañ ne dañ feebar ñu bañ a jóg pour def dara pour dem faji sañ boppa. loolu ngay gis ne loolu moo tax nit ñu bari dañ dee faral di leen daw ak yooyu noonu ñoom ñoo ko def because nga feebar xam nga ne da nga feebar demal lopitaan fuñ la mun a fajee. soo amut xaalis sax demal nga dem wax ak nit koo xam ne dina la mun a faj, wax ko ne man de aw ma xaalis de waaye lii ma dal lii ak ma dal. Gambia fii nii ñëpp xam nañ ne am dëkki ñun ñëpp benn leen ñun ñëpp ay benn mbokk leen yëpp benn bunta la soo demee nit ki su la mënutee faj sax su la bëggutee faj sax ngir xaalis mais bi keneen bi fa fekk keneen koo xam ne mun na laa may ngir yàlla rek tax soo ñu ngi ñëw tàggatoo ak yéen ba beneen yoon incha allah ba boori 1 PM incha allah dinañ ñëwaat fii nii si YouTube bi pour ma wax leen ko képp koo xam ne bugga nga si garab bi wala bugga nga pour docteur Buhari mu faj la mun ngaa ñëw Ecobank mun ngaa ñëw Sénégal bi opposite Ecobank moom foofu lañ nekka o better still mun nga naa call si 207 8568 207 8568 jërë ngeen jëf.
So ko ali amoy nyameng ni mo sulata boru rek ale nano docteur am felale Sénégal be jang opposite Ecobank just near Smile Lodge wala ale mol call ale mol clinic number la 2078568 2078568. So if anybody needs our treatment, if anybody needs the medicine we are selling at our clinic, or if you need any of our treatment, you can contact us on this. If you are in Gambia, you can contact us on this number 2078568 2078568 2078568. And if you are in Pakistan, you can contact us on 92304 111 2296 92304 111 2296. That's our Pakistan number. And if you are in Gambia, you won't need the location. You can come to Senegambia opposite Ecobank just near Smile Lodge. That's where we are located. Thank you very much. See you around 1 PM again. Bye.